The world's richest people didn't get there by chance. Each found their unique path, etching their names in the annals of the wealthy. Today, we'll explore the strategy of 7 such individuals: Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, Bernard Arnault, Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, Warren Buffett, and Larry Page. These titans of industry have shaped the world through their innovative approaches to business, technology, and investment. So, grab a notepad and get ready to learn from the best. Stay tuned as we delve into the strategies of these titans of industry. Elon Musk, a name synonymous with disruptive innovation. Musk is the driving force behind several pioneering companies, including Tesla, SpaceX, Neuralink, and The Boring Company. His strategy: to push the boundaries of what's considered possible. By investing in sustainable energy, he's challenging the traditional automotive industry with Tesla. In space exploration, SpaceX is redefining our relationship with the cosmos. Musk's drive to revolutionize industries is a testament to the power of disruptive thinking. Jeff Bezos, the mastermind behind the e-commerce giant Amazon. His road to riches was paved with a clear strategy, a business model that put the customer at the center of everything. Bezos championed continuous innovation, always pushing Amazon to evolve beyond an online bookstore into a global marketplace, a streaming powerhouse, and a cloud computing behemoth. By diversifying into various sectors, he kept Amazon at the forefront of the digital revolution. Bezos' relentless focus on the customer has reshaped the retail world. Bernard Arnault, the king of luxury. As the CEO of LVMH, Moet Hennessy, Louis Vuitton, he's cultivated the world's largest luxury goods company. His strategy: acquiring prestigious brands, creating an air of exclusivity, and catering to the high-end luxury market. Arnault's empire spans fashion, jewelry, perfumes, and select retail. In his world, quality reigns supreme and the allure of luxury is irresistible. His approach isn't just about selling products, it's about selling a lifestyle. Arnault's understanding of luxury has carved a niche that is both exclusive and lucrative. Bill Gates, the man who brought personal computing to the masses. His strategy: developing and selling software that transformed our interaction with technology. But Gates' story doesn't end with Microsoft. He pivoted, turning his attention to philanthropy, and through the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, he's tackling global challenges. So while Gates' wealth is substantial, his legacy is much more than that. Gates' vision extends beyond wealth, demonstrating the impact of social responsibility. Mark Zuckerberg, the architect of our digital social lives. He co-founded and heads Facebook, now Meta, with a strategy to create and expand the world's largest social media platform. Zuckerberg's focus: user engagement and cutting-edge technologies. He's responsible for significant acquisitions like Instagram and WhatsApp, and now he's diving into the realm of virtual reality. Zuckerberg's influence on our digital interactions is a testament to the power of connectivity. Warren Buffett, the oracle of smart investments. This investment guru, known for his role as CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, has carved a niche with his unique approach. Buffett's strategy is all about value investing. He seeks out companies with long-term potential and holds on to these investments, often for many years. It's not about quick wins for Buffett. It's about the long game. His philosophy underscores the importance of patience and long-term thinking, a testament to his success in the world of investment. Larry Page, the brain behind the world's most popular search engine, Google. Page's strategy was unique, focused on providing innovative search services that simplified the world's information. But he didn't stop there. He expanded into online advertising, transforming the way businesses connect with consumers. Page also invested in emerging technologies, always staying one step ahead of the curve. His vision and relentless pursuit of innovation have made Google a household name globally. Page's contribution to the digital world has forever changed how we access information. Success is a journey, not a destination. From Elon Musk's disruptive innovation to Jeff Bezos' customer-centric models, Bernard Arnault's luxury empire, Bill Gates' software revolution, Mark Zuckerberg's social media dominance, Warren Buffett's value investing, and Larry Page's search engine mastery, each has crafted a unique path to success. Their strategies, while varied, all underline a commitment to innovation, long-term vision, and impactful decisions. Remember, success isn't a one-size-fits-all. Adopt, adapt, and improve, the keys to carving your own path to success.